Hello, today we are going to talk about GetVantage Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for GetVantage Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 10 lakh per month. Co-applicant age should be between 25 year to 70 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, he/she may get loan amount up to 5 lakh to 5 crore. Tenure will be 12 month to 15 month. Rate of interest will be 16% to 21% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 7 days for sanction and 15 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4%. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory. Business vintage should be 2 year. Processing will be online. Ownership proof is not required. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of GetVantage's business loan: any business which is having online revenue generation, any business which have raised equity capital. Location will be Pen India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are the business which are not having online revenue generation, all applicant other than company and LLP. No specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.